Hello everyone! For this vlog guys, I am going to cook my version of pinakbit. Ayan. Since we don't have pork in my place, so I have chicharon karkar. Ayan guys. Ito yung aking main ingredients sa ating pinakbet. Ilocano version. Pero hindi ko siguro makukuha yung talagang tinuro sa akin ng lula ko kung paano lulutuin ang pinakbet na Ilocano. But by Manny's version, here go. These are the ingredients that I'm going to use. I have chili along with 2 cloves of garlic, pressed or crushed. And I have 2 big size of tomatoes, ripe. And I have 2 pieces of chorizo de bilbao. This is the twist. And I have onions guys. I have also long green pepper, siling pangsigang. And I have stripe of ginger. Malaki pa sa thumb size, double thumb size guys, alright. And I have squash, ayan, tingnan niyo ang pagkahiwa guys. And I have sweet tomatoes, malilit lang kasi yun ang available, parang carrots ang dating, but anyhow yan ang pampasarap. I have ladies fingers. I have 4 pieces of eggplants. I have 3 pieces of bitter gourd, ampalaya, and 4 bundles of string beans guys. Ayan o. Ayan. Nahiwa ko na lahat guys. Everything is in place. So, what we are going to do? Let's get started. Ayan guys. Mainit na yung ating karahay. Kasirol. Maglagay tayo ng olive oil. Mga 2 kalahati. Ayan. 2 kalahati kutsara. Then, ilagay na kagad natin ang ating sugar. Alright. Okay. Sunod na natin ang dinikdik ng bawang at saka yung sili. Sunod na kagad natin ang chorizo de bilbao guys. Palabasin natin ang kanyang flavor guys. Bango. At isunod natin ang ating 2 pirasong malalaking sibuyas. Manny's version to guys ha. May kanya-kanyang paraan ng pagluto ng pinakbit guys. Iba-ibang lugar, iba-ibang style. So, this is my version in Saudi. Let's cover. At kaya natin mag-transfer siya ng mga sibuyas. Yan guys. Alright. Next mo nga pala yung bago kong nabili niya sandok guys. Feeling ko ang ganda. Lagyan na natin ang tomatoes. Alright, tomatoes. Hinog na tomatoes. Alright. Let's cover and simmer for 3 minutes. Medium fire. Let's see. Ayan guys. Malambot na guys. At this point guys, ilagay ko na yung chicharon karkar. Ayan guys, oh. 3 pakiting chicharon. Let's simmer for 3 minutes. Let's check. At this point guys, lalagyan ko siya ng kaunting tubig, na 1 cup guys. Huwag naman sobra, baka maging pinakbaw siya guys. Simmer for 1 minute. Yung guys, let's go open. Let's see. At this point guys, ilalagay ko na itong ating nabiling guys. At chubis. Dilis guys na bago. At ilalagay ko na guys ang ating bagoong. Bagoong dilis. Ayan. Depende sa inyong ano guys, ha? Panlasa kung gaano kadaming ilagay ninyo. Ilalagay ko na yung sweet tomatoes guys. Okay. Simmer natin na 3 minutes. Ayan. This point guys, ilalagay ko na ang mga squash. Kalabasa. Diba masyadong decorative yung cutting guys. Ayan guys. At muna natin ng 1 minute lang guys. Matigas kasi yan. Ayan guys. At this point guys, ilalagay na natin ang ating mga talong guys. Ayan guys. Isunod ko na rin ang string beans. Ayan. Let's cover. And guys, after 1 minute, maglalagay pala ako ng pork cube guys kasi wala tayong pork, chicharon lang, optional naman siya guys sa may gusto lang. Ayan. At this point guys, ilalagay ko na ang ating mga siling pang sigam. Ayan. O diba? At ilalagay na natin ang ating mga ampalaya, bitter gourd. Ayan guys, ating halo-haloin. Itutusok sana ito guys, pero malaki masyado yung ano guys, ang kasirola. Kung maliit lang sana ito, pwede nating itos lang. At ilalagay ko na rin ang mga ladies fingers guys, okra. Ayan, hindi ko na tinutulan yung buntot guys kasi masyadong slimy. Ayan. O diba ang daming okra guys. O napaka-generous naman yung gulay. Guys, Ayan. Kung mayroon tayong bunga ng malunggay, maganda rin sana. Hindi kaya sigarilyas. Ayan. Tapos ang ihalo natin bagnet. Wala tayong bagnet guys. Kaya this is only the version I can do. Okay, let's cover. Simmer for 2 minutes. Almost over. Check natin guys. Ayan na guys. Atin siyang halu-haluin. Ayan. Uy. Guys, gusto kong tikman guys. Let's taste. Para maihusto. Wow. Kunting asin guys. Kunti lang. Mikos. Ang sarap nito guys kung mayroon siyang bagnet. Yan. At saka mayroong sigarilyas guys. Haluan ng sigarilyas. Yan. Almost over na guys. Yan guys. Yummy. Let's cover and wait for patakang portions. Alright? Here we go! Guys, ito na yung final product ng ating Manis version pinakbet. Pinakbet na ang halo ay chicharon at mayroong chorizo de Bilbao with overload veggies. Ayan. Wala kasi tayong bagnet guys. Saka wala tayong sigarilyas. So, whatever the available in the market. So, that's it. And I believe na super yummy, super delicious ang pinakbit na ito. Let's get started our exciting portion, ang palaway portion. Ayan, oh. Ayan. Unahin na natin itong ating ayan. Saka yung squash guys, oh. Saka talong, first bite for you. Hindi pwedeng walang kanin guys. Ayan, may kanin ako guys. Super sarap guys. Ayan. Ito tayo sa ladies fingers okra. Sarap guys, promise. Yung ating ampalaya guys. Ayan. Yan na, chicharon at saka kalabasa guys. Yes! Winner na, panalo pa guys. Ayan. Sus, yan guys, oh, kung makatikim lang kayo nito, naku. Masarap talaga yung bagoong na dilis ang gagamitin guys. Ayan. Yung ibang nagluluto guys, ginagamitan nila ng bagoong hipon. Ayan. Yung katulad nito. Ayan. Shrimps. Pero sa akin guys, oh. Anchovies dilis. Sa Ilocano, munamon. Alright guys, maraming salamat muli sa inyong patuloy na subaybay sa aking mga Manis version cooking. First time ko lang ginawa dito sa Saudi ang pagluto ng pinakbit na ito guys. Dahil lang may dala yung aking surveyor ng taga Cebu na chicharon kapar. Kaya ginawan ko ng paraan. Pero super yummy guys. Try nyo guys and let me know kung totoo hindi. Alright guys, until next time. God bless us always, and thank you so much for your kind words and comments. Really appreciate it, guys. And for the support and love during my premiere. Thank you so much. And once again, God bless us always, and bye for now. Thank you. Please subscribe. Bye-bye.